everyone, so I'm having another lazy day here, and by lazy I mean like completely like not done up, because in my last two lazy videos I had a full face of makeup on. But I have no real errands to run today, like stuff where I have to get ready, not until later, and I'm just letting like my skin bask in like no makeup. So today I thought I'd bring you guys a little project pan video, and it's gonna be rolling style. So yeah, this is going to be, oh, sorry if the lighting's like about to change. It's been like really cloudy and like on and off raining. Our summer is gone and it's back to winter. So if the lighting keeps changing, I do apologize for that, but I can't do anything about it. So I'm doing a Bath & Body Works rolling project pan just because I think it would be fun to do that. I mean, the only time you guys ever really see my like Bath & Body Works products that I've used up is in my Bath & Body Works empties, and sometimes I have so many products that I just can't give like how I feel about the product and like the notes and like super detailed. So I thought it would be fun just to document all the products I'm using, and I usually like pick like a good couple set of products to use up. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you like the ones that I'm using, and as I finish up which ones I'm bringing in, and we can make this into a project pan, since my whole point this year is to not spend money on Bath & Body Works products because I have so much. So I'll start with this one, which is a little odd. I usually keep this bottle upside down just because it's hard to get the product out. I believe I got this like at a hotel that had Bath & Body Works products. So because it's been like upside up, and it's been marked when it's upside down. Usually when it's upside down, it's up to here. And this is just Rain Kissed Leaves. It's not like my favorite scent. I usually just put it on my hands, like if my hands are dry before I go to bed. Just because it's really like, I don't know. It's not that it's earthy, because it's definitely not. It's just that it's a very strong leaf scent. An artificial leaf scent, and it's not my favorite, but I am trying to use it up, so I just put it on my hands when I remembered to before I go to bed. So I really would like to use that up. This, I guess I'll stay on with the trend of lotions. This is the CO Bigelow Chapped Hands Remedy, and this is like a medicated hand cream. It does have 40% glycerin, and glycerin is supposed to absorb moisture almost, but I don't use this on my hands actually. I use them on my feet. I'm on my feet a lot, so they really go through the ringer sometimes, and this really helps to like refreshen them up. So I'll just like lather it on my feet, and then sometimes I'll put even like a layer of Aquaphor over it just to even trap in more of that moisture. And then I'll put like thick socks on and just go to bed. It feels so nice. It is such a treat, and you really do see a difference in your feet. I'm up to down here. I don't do this all the time. It's more like when I remember to do it, just because it is a process, because it is really sticky. The scent isn't my favorite. It just smells medicated, like not minty Vicks, but along the line of Vicks. So yeah, I probably won't repurchase this once I use it up, just because, you know, you can use anything on your feet or on your hands. Like, it's just a marketing tactic to get you to buy like specific items, even though it's kind of like the same thing. So yeah, I'm also trying to use this warm vanilla, Wild Madagascar vanilla, vanilla bean body souffle. It's a little bit different all over the place, so I just kind of said it's up to here. I know this is Pretty Pistol's, one of her favorite lotions. It's okay. I guess it's appropriate for, oh, I just got it all over the place. No! Oh God. I'm just gonna put this down because I'm making a mess. I don't even know how that happens. Oh, it's from the lid. Now it's getting everywhere. Anyways, I'm just gonna use that on my hands then. I know it's one of her favorite scents. It's okay. It's appropriate for like the season, but it's not specifically my favorite, so I just want to use it up and just get it out of the collection. This one is my favorite. I've been using this like all winter long. This is Winter Candy Apple. It is my all-time favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. I have backups on backups on backups on backups. It's one of the things that I will always repurchase, but because it only like comes out in the winter time, you know, I stock up and then I'll like use the products throughout the years, but I guess I've overstocked versus like the amount I've used up, so now I'm focusing on using a lot of it up. So I am up to here. It was brand new, like when I started using this like back in December. So I think it's time to finish it up just because we're closely approaching spring, and I kind of like fragrances to stay with fragrances, but I'm not always like a stickler about it. But just because like these products go bad and I want to use them up. I have another lotion. This one tipped over, and so I haven't been able to mark it, but there's not that much left. This is Autumn. This is a Pear and Cashmere Woods. It looks like it's about to right here. I'll mark it once like the rest of the product has settled. But this is, the scent is Bartlett Pear, Cashmere Woods, Creamy Fig, Jasmine Petals, and Sheer Amber. It's okay. I'm not like, I don't like pear scents. I don't like pears, so I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I think everything else like kind of makes it a little more, you know, it eases me to use it. I don't even know if that's proper, but it makes it better for me to use it, and it kind of like masks that pear scent, but the pear scent is definitely still potent. So now I'm moving on to like more sprays, and that's gonna kind of be the end of it, just lotions and sprays. If I add more stuff as it goes, or as we go, then I'll add more stuff as we go. So I have a matching Winter Candy Apple Spray. This one is about to here. I've been, oh, let me show you. It's about to there. It's kind of hard to see because this is like thick. I've kind of been working on this for the last year. It takes forever for me to use up body sprays, especially when I'm using like other body sprays, but I'm finally at like the last little bit of it. So hopefully I can finish this off really soon, just because again, Winter Candy Apple, I have way too many backups versus how much I actually use up. And there we go, the light's coming back. So there's that one. I also have this Peach and Honey Almond Fine Fragrance Mist. This is in the travel size, and it is about to there. It's okay. This is more like my everyday spray, and this is like when I want to smell nice and I need a pick-me-up, but this is just kind of like on the go. And lastly, I have a EDT, Eau de Toilette, and this is just 1,000 Wishes. I'm about there. I do have other like perfumes I'm also working on, so that one's gonna be a little slower. Even though it's small, I just have like 2 other perfumes that I use on the daily, and then an extra other 2 that I use like on special like occasions. Like for example, when I see my boyfriend, I like to use like specific scents. But yeah, that's gonna be the products I am currently trying to use up. As you can see, a lot of them are halfway through, but because it's a lot, it's gonna take a while, because if like you put them all together, it's like full-size products, at least with the lotions. So yeah, I hope you follow me on this like series, and I will see you guys all on the next one, in the next one. Bye.